I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by collecting what matters now: version info, drivers, and reproduction steps. You should reproduce the bug once and capture a short video so the timeline is clear. Next, export Gameloop logs and any crash, DMP files, open Event Viewer, and save relevant error entries. Once done, compress these artifacts into a single archive and name it with version and date. Make sure to note CPU/GPU load and exact time of the failure for correlating logs later. Now dig into the artifacts. Search logs for recurring error codes, stack traces, or timestamps that match your video. You want to isolate whether the issue is emulator, driver, or game-specific, so disable overlays and antivirus temporarily, then retest. If the problem persists, reproduce it on a clean VM or alternate user profile to see if configuration is the culprit. Once you identify patterns, take focused screenshots of errors and note exact steps that trigger the failure to include in your report. Finish by writing the bug report clearly. List step-by-step reproduction, expected outcome, and actual result, then attach your compressed logs and video. Indicate reproducibility frequency and any workarounds you tried. Submit to the Gameloop support channel or issue tracker and monitor replies. Respond quickly with requested files. If nothing helps, collect deeper traces like GPU vendor logs or a packet capture for networking issues. One tip: if a fix isn't immediate, revert to a stable snapshot and note that in your report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.